Did you guys know that you can access all of MeL resources right from your own home? I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of two things. One, how to access MeL resources, and two, how to find a citation for an article that you're interested in. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we want to access it from our Everett homepage. So we're going to go over here to Schools. Whoops, there's Schools. And go down to Everett High School. From here, you see the menu on the left-hand side of the screen with different departments. We are looking for the Library Media Center, so that is the fifth option down under Everett High School. Click on that, and it will take you to the library homepage. So Miss Curry has tons of resources up here if you need help with anything. She also gave me access to a lot of her tutorials, so if you need help finding a specific source, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you. But right now what we're doing, we're going to MeL. We're scrolling down to the bottom of the page under Useful Links. Click that, and the third option under there is mel.org. We're going to click on mel.org, and as our page loads, we're going to do a little dance. I'm definitely dancing. It's too early in the morning to be acting like this, to be honest with you. Okay, we're going to e-resources. So click on that. And then these are all of the databases here that you have access to through your school. So Miss Curry would recommend that you look at Britannica or Academic Search Complete. If you know that you're looking for a specific subject area, you can hit this and say maybe you're interested in health. Click on that and see what databases are available for health resources. We're going to go back to all subjects here, and I'm just going to click on Academic Search Complete. First one, just going to use it, has a whole host of sources. So I'm interested in looking up vaccinations. Let's see if I can spell it. Vaccination. All right, so I'm going to search that and look at all these wonderful articles. And we have talked about in detail in our classes how to narrow searches down. So I'm not going to go through that right now. I am just going to find one source, impact of vaccination on measles, mumps, rubella, and antibody titers in Japanese healthcare workers, an observational study. That sounds super interesting. So I'm going to click on that. And the thing that pops up here is the basic source information. So I always recommend looking at the abstract, which is this paragraph down here. And what that is that's going to give you a brief summary of the information included in the article. So start here, read through the abstract. If it seems like something you're interested in learning more about, then you want to access the article. So you can have a PDF, or you can just view it online through the HTML full text. Again, on the right-hand side of the screen, you have lots of options for ways to save this. You can save it to your Google Drive. You can create a folder in your computer. But the one that we're going to focus on today, actually two. So if you want to be sure that you can come back to it later, you can create a permalink. That's this link at the top. So see, I clicked on the right-hand side of the screen, permalink, and it generated a link at the top. However, I have found that you have to already be in MeL to have the permalink work. So I think the best way for me is to save a PDF version to my Google Drive. We're also here to talk about citations though. So I know citations often give students a lot of issues and what goes where and questions like that. But I'm here to tell you that databases make your life super easy. So again, on the right-hand side of the screen, about halfway down, there's this button. It says Cite, and it looks like a little paper. So we're going to click that. And each database will work a little differently on how it generates your citations and what that looks like. But every database should create a citation for you. So you see we have this citation format box that opened up at the top of our screen. And we're just going to go down to the one that we're interested in. So APA is one that is used in college quite often, in science classes, things like that. So I use APA in my college classes. If I were citing it for my own research, I would probably use APA. If you're in psychology, I would recommend using APA since it's the American Psychological Association. But generally, English classes will use MLA. So you're going to scroll down to where it says MLA. You just copy that citation and then paste it into your assignment, and there you go. Let's see what this PDF looks like. I like PDFs better than the HTML. Oh, there it is. And see, you still have all of those options on the right-hand screen as well. So that was a quick run through of how to access MeL from your school's homepage and then how to cite sources using your database. Remember, you always need to cite your sources, otherwise you could be guilty of plagiarism, which could earn you a 0, and you don't want that. So I hope you found this helpful, and I will look forward to reading all of your little research assignments. Take care, guys.